We often get the question, when is it too late to have my furnace maintenance done? The answer is, it's never too late. Maintenance is not an emergency service, but it's a very important service. So it's just important that you have your furnace cleaned and tuned up once a year. I know we've got spring looking ahead, and it's not too far away, but it's not too late to have your furnace maintenance done. It's been a really cold winter, and so it's worked a little extra hard this winter as well. If you are new to us and you want to try out our service, we have a great $49 tune-up for the month of February just for you. If you're interested in our membership to where you could have your furnace and your air conditioner tuned up and cleaned with some other great benefits in there, February we have a buy one, gift one with our gold and platinum memberships.